first of all, remember one thing, that in all the conversions, when you will be given any substance in gram, right, means the mass will be given, you will convert that mass into moles first. In mole to mole conversion, you will be given the reactant or the substance in moles, and you have to find the other in moles as well. Now let us understand this with the help of example. First question that I am going to discuss is, here they say that oxygen can be prepared by the decomposition of potassium chlorate. Now in this statement what they are saying, that by the decomposition reaction of potassium chlorate with other product, the other product whatever it is formed, oxygen will be prepared as well. Okay. Now the main question is that how many moles of O2 can be prepared by taking 10 moles of KClO3, potassium chlorate. Now let us see the reaction. Remember that the equation that we will write should be balanced because it is important for the further solution. Now we have the equation, that is, now the reaction is 2KClO3. It is decomposing and converting into KCl. Now in this reaction, KClO3 is decomposing, KCl is formed, and with KCl oxygen is also formed. Now first of all we will see that what they are saying in the question. See over here how many moles we used for preparing 3 moles of oxygen, 2 moles of KClO3. And what they are saying in the question, how many moles of oxygen can be prepared by taking 10 moles of KClO3. Means in place of 2 we will take 10 moles of KClO3. But then how many oxygens will be formed? So this was the reaction. From the reaction we will compare KClO3 and O2. We will write 2 mole of KClO3 and 3 mole of. Now what they said in the reaction, that we are having 10 moles of KClO3, then how many moles of O2 will be formed? So here we will write 10 mole of KClO3 and we will write over here X. We have to find this value. So what we will do cross multiplication. This will multiply with this and this will multiply with this value. So now how we will write the equation? We will write it as 2 mole of KClO3 multiply by X, which will be equal to 3 moles of O2 multiply by 10 mole of KClO3. Now X will stay in its place and we will write a statement that dividing 2 mole of KClO3 on both sides. Now we will write 2 mole of KClO3 multiply by X divided by 2 mole of KClO3, which will be equal to, we will rewrite these values and we will divide it by 2 mole of KClO3. Now here they both will cancel each other and from here only mole of KClO3 will cancel the mole of KClO3. Now what will be left? X is equal to 3 mole of O2 multiply by 10 divided by 2. When you will calculate this, you will get an answer 15 mole of O2. So in the result you can write that 15 mole of O2 by decomposition of 10 mole of KClO3. Now let us discuss another example from your exercise so that your concept will be cleared more. This is the balanced chemical equation. How many moles of H2O will be obtained by burning 5.6 moles of O2 in an excess of H2. Let me solve this question with headings. First we will give the heading of data and then given. Then I will write over here required. So what is given? Number of moles of O2, which is equal to 5.6. And what is required? What they say, how many moles of H2O can be obtained. So we have to find number of moles of H2O. Right? We will also use the same method over here. Now here we will compare this oxygen and water. 1 mole of O2 equivalent to 2 mole of H2O. So how many moles of O2 we are given? So if we have 5.6 mole of O2, then they say how many moles of H2O can be prepared. We will simply do cross multiplication. Right? So we will write over here 1 mole of O2 multiply by X equal to 2 mole of H2O multiply by 5.6 mole of O2. We have done the cross multiplication. So now what will happen? X will stay in its place and we will divide 1 mole of O2 on both sides. So we will write in a statement dividing 1 mole of on both sides. So let's divide it. We will again write 1 mole of O2 multiply by X divided by 1 mole of O2. Then we will write the other side 2 mole of H2O multiply by 5.6 mole of O2 divided by 1 mole of O2. Now what will happen? They both will cancel each other. And from here only mole of O2 will cancel mole of O2. So what will be left? X is equal to 2 mole of H2O multiply by 5.6. If you want to write divided by 1 again you can write, but there is no need of writing divided by 1. So when we will multiply this, we will get an answer 11.6 mole H2O. So in the result, we will write that 11 will get 11.2 mole of H2O. So in the result, you will write 11.2 moles of H2O are obtained. I hope you all understood this conversion, and if you have any question then let me know in the comments below.